Dude, you didn't see that? You almost got hit. Crazy.
I didn't see. I heard.
Oh my god. Get that. You almost got hit. And why are you still saying the same? He almost got you. Gotta have some range. Where at?
That was right over there, okay, Derek? No,
Where
be
at?
careful. Over there. That angle.
Oh, in that corner?
Yeah. Right side, just so you know. Yeah. Don't move. What was it?
Dude.
Is that my backpack? Was it?
I think so. You're not dead. The bullet goes through.
Yeah. That's not part of me. That's not my backpack. Huh? Oh.
Where is he? Maybe he can come and fire.
Right.
God.
I can't.
Just shoot.
Over there.
Dude, I hate this.
Okay, I see that.
Right. Go to the sleeve, straight over there.
More? More? HC 10. You don't see him?
Oh, he's running right here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's still there, he's still there.
Oh, he's running right here?
Yeah.
Oh, he's still there.
He has a good range on us.
Oh, he's still there.
Huh?
He moved closer. Still the same direction. I got you. Oof.
Oh, he moved. He sees us.
Finally?
He moved a little bit. He can see us good now.
Yeah, right there, right there, right there.
Yeah, it's really hard to see him.
Ah, hit.
What the? Oh! Where is he, Ann? Man, I think I'm just gonna freaking run. Huh? Whatever. At least have a chance of being, because right now he can see us super good.